save. I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night, and I contemplate for a while. I wish you all the best I can, and I stop myself for a while. I'm saying things I don't believe. The panic's rising up in you. Won't you tell me something new? Don't you think what people are best if I pack my stuff a little sooner than this? Don't you think what people are best if I pack my stuff a little sooner than this? Don't you wish I would have been someone else? I want to feel your death without making a mess at you. Won't you tell me something new? I want to tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night, and I contemplate for a while. Don't you think what people are best if I pack my stuff a little sooner than this? Don't you think what people are best if I pack my stuff a little sooner than this? Don't you wish I would have been someone else? I want to feel your death without making a mess at you. Won't you tell me something new? Wish you all the best I can, then I stop myself for a while.
I ain't trying to bother. You're moving me in all the right ways. Waiting for the signal. I wanna go down, down and watch it fall down, down, down. You give me the green light. Speeding like there ain't no stop sign. My eyes set on the prize, yeah. I wanna go down, I wanna go down. But damn, it feels good when you jump on it. Scars on my chest like you own it. You can have my last name if you want it. If you want it, if you want it. Dear girl, we don't even have to stop it. Take you higher than a real rocket. You can have my last name if you want it. If you want it, if you want it. Yeah. Your body's out in motion, like a Mona Lisa come to life. Pin you on my wall and pull you back down. Watch you slide down and let me drink you in. Oh, selfish lovers drink for free. Spin you around my glass and watch you fall down. Pull you back down. But damn, it feels good when you jump on it. Scars on my chest like you own it. You can have my last name if you want it. If you want it, if you want it. Dear girl, we don't even have to stop it. Take you higher than a real rocket. You can have have my last name if you want it. If you want it. If you want it. Damn, it feels good. 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 Damn, it feels good. Oh, so good, so good. So damn, it feels good when you jump on it. Scars on my chest like you own it. You can have my last name if you want it. If you want it. If you want it. Yeah, girl, we don't even have to stop it. Take you higher than a real rocket. You can have my last name if you want it. If you want it. If you want it. But damn, it feels good when you jump on it.
Check 1 2 1 2.
Just like you own it. You can have my last name if you want it. If you want it. If you want it.
Let's go.
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
Welcome everyone to Late Night Crypto with Road Dogg. The only thing missing tonight to make this a wonderful evening is just a little bit of cowbell. Get a little cowbell in your life. Links are in the description below. It's a little dark in here, a little moody. Oh, it's a little messed up. Sean, somebody doesn't pay the light bill. How's it going, everybody? Glad to see you. Look where Bitcoin is. We're at 102,000 after a little scare that we had down here. I'm dropping down here. The same people. YouTube is so funny. The same people go, "Hell, we're coming down to it." Some big light. It's crazy way you say they had some kind of big. 95,000. It could have happened. But that's cool. But the same people go, "Then we called the bottom." Like, dude, come on, man. Come on, man. YouTube, it's so crazy. We've been watching this thing and identified the channel. Now we can connect some lines here. And I find that that's helpful. And also, following our trend line, we lost that one. There was this little guy right here. And probably be some resistance, but kind of lights the way for us to maybe come up here to 103. We got the bigger moving average. I'm on a very small time frame. I just like to start and end on the 6 minute. I don't know why. We switched to the daily to see what's really going on. But this is just where we are right now. What we've been doing all day, and it's been impressive, really, because these moving averages, I mean, they flipped over here. Boom, boom, boom. Some people will say, man, when the moving averages get tight, you know there's going to be a big move, but they don't tell you anything about the move. You're going to know if it's up or down. But it's a little bit different here because I kind of stress on how you use the moving averages themselves and the relationships to each other, and how that they approach each other, if they cross each other, and what that means, and helps you get a little edge, and what price means if it's above a certain moving average. Which ones you got to keep your eyes on, like these over here. Now, it's interesting. Now, in the smaller time frames, a lot of times when we see this, when price decides to go attack these bigger moving averages, that orange one and that red one. This is the 800 moving average. This is the 666 moving average. Sounds crazy until you see how well price respects it sometimes. But we're likely to go up and talk to them. Might get rejected there. But then we can also kind of go above them a little way too. I'm still looking for a possibility coming back about 500 or 100. 100,000, 500, and 300. That's a lot to say. 100,000, $105,328. 105.3 is where I'm looking for. That's easier. I'm going to go with that. So short term, that's kind of what we're looking for. Now, we broke out of this symmetrical triangling with what is a circle? That's a UFO. Floating there, and might we be coming up for a bearish retest? That is something to seriously consider here. You must think about that idea. You can also consider this as just in a big ass range, and this is where they came and got you, and they're going to take the price right on back up here. That could be happening too. For these ideas, I recommend zooming the freak out. There's my target up there, 105.2 on this chart. Well, let's zoom the F out. Look! There's the angels. There's glory land. We're go to the angels, Bitcoin. Go to the angels. We're gonna park the little angel right up here, me little angel. And on me daily. Oh no, man. Say it ain't so. We lost that 9 moving average. We lost that yesterday. Let's get some of these little yellow marks off of here. We got a 21 moving average just sitting right down here at 100,000. We already wicked through it. This is our new candle we just started, right? We've already headed down. We're headed back up right now. We're headed back up toward that 9 moving average, about 103,600. Pretty much where we were looking at the other chart. We wicked down below, man. We knocked out the 50 and the 21, and narrow did they ever cross. My clue is the Ichimoku cloud says chop chop city, baby. So we might be choppy here for a while as we kind of figure this out, but this is a good sign on the daily. 50 moving average, 21 moving average, 9 moving average over here. Sucks we're in between them, but hey, man, they kind of these got to catch up. They got to catch up. We may have to range here in a little bit this week. I think that we will kind of range here before we zoom out. That's just my thoughts at the moment. Maybe totally wrong, but you've also got these ideas, you know, if you're looking at a breakout and this is a retest of that price breakout, that's one way to do it. Just wick down to that breakout area. Maybe that counts. It could count. If so, does that mean we're moving on up? We're moving on up to these targets over here. It's also a measured move from this guy, if you want to look at it as a ascending triangle or a roof pattern, even though a roof is more bearish, but they can break to the upside and they can be fun. While that measured move, dear sir, I do believe, one of which would take you right up here. Right up around this here mark, around 114,000 US denominated dollars for Bitcoin. That measured move, my friend, looks very enticing. Life is like a box of chocolates. That's what my mama always said. Never know what you're gonna get. We gotta change this over to a blue line, cause I'll just forget what I was talking about if I don't. Bubba, what you got to say about it? Oh Lord, don't get Bubba started. We'll be talking about shrimp coin all night long. There's shrimp in you. Baby shrimp coin. Baby shrimp in you coin. Shrimp AI. Baby shrimp AI. Maximus shrimp. That's an oxymoron. Anyway, that's what we got going on for Bitcoin. You know, we might have got the brunt of the storm out of the way. We got to see if we're getting a bearish retest. If so, we could flip flop down, come and test these other areas, 93, something like that. It could happen. But we also got that retest idea too. I kind of like that retest idea. Let's go off of that. Look here on the 4 hour. Look at this beautiful 200 moving average, known to be just a bouncy trampoline for price to bounce off of. Sucks when you fall through. That didn't happen this time, so we're good there. Might just bounces right back up here to 105,000. That seems to be a repeatable theme here on this channel tonight. It's hard to see what we had here. It's because I have not drawn it out, and because I love to draw lines so much. I just can't help myself. I'm going to go from candle bodies to candle bodies because ain't nothing like having a warm body underneath that big old long shaft right there. Yeah, he said it on TV. Oh, gosh darn it. Strike us again there. Can't help it. It just gets all groovy. I blame it on the music. Take a Fibonacci because it's just sitting there, just needing to be pulled out and erected all the way from the high to the low because we go deep here. We're getting above that 382 Fibonacci area, that little green line right there, little green, but we haven't cleared it, so not out of the woods yet. What I do like is what we can't see. It's behind the curtains here, is behind that candle. What's going on between this 100 moving average and that 9? it looks to me like that 100 moving average has got some words for it, and I think that the 9 moving average, either she's going to go for it or she's going to reject him and turn right around and go the other way. I would say, we got to see how that turns out. As the world turns tonight, this is getting juicy. Are you going to make a move? I think that 100 moving average is going to make a move on that little 9 moving average. I think that's going to happen. Run, baby. You need to turn around and run the other way. It's too old for you. It might be illegal. Go. Get away from there. You can't tell these kids nothing these days now. They're whatever, but they get behind that big green candle. Nobody can see them, though. You gotta keep your eye on it. Don't need no Epstein stuff going on over here. Candle. Look, it's a wreck. Oh God, let's get to a different time frame. That one's too weird for me. Let's go. We're here on the 1 hour and we're above the 9 moving average, and I like that. Okay, we're good. We're just testing the 50 out. Can we do it? Oh, looky here, a little doorway right here. We're gonna slip right on side to the other dimension right there. Come on, you can do it, candles. How many candles is it going to take? 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe in the next 4 hours we can go into the winner's dimension, to the bullish dimension, and get on the right side of that red cloud. That would be cool. Can you do it? We got some good strong signs here, but I know some people will probably be looking at this a little different. Maybe seeing some things a little different. I want to take this Fibonacci off because it's bugging me. It's bugging me. Some people will be zooming in, and they might be, and it's okay to zoom in. You know, you can do that. But I'm sure that this is probably floating out there about the rising wedge, or even as a bear flag to the downside, and I'm sure somebody's out there calling it could happen. I mean, we got some confluence, so depending on where it breaks out. A lot of people the rule is you put your measure move on the candle that breaks out. That's the rule. You don't see it done a lot on YouTube, but I like to explain that as I go. However, if we don't do that, are we going to come all the way up here? Looks like that measure move, and well, let's just see where it takes us. That measure move takes us all the way up here to 117,000. I'm just kidding you. I wouldn't do that to you. But if it does break to the upside, ooh, baby, yeah, well, that could be hella bullish when they do what they're not supposed to do. They are supposed to get rejected. She's not showing signs of doing that just yet. Now, that's not exactly what I'd see. Now, what I'd see, what I would do if I apply my techniques and my theory, I guess, I would be looking for the angles. Because them angles, baby, it's all in the angle. If you got just the right angle, you can rock your world. Can you say that, Sean? And I'd be connecting that beautifully to this candle top and that candle top. And now we got all the touches required to make a valid pattern here. Are you going to break to the upside? Maybe you will, maybe you won't. We'll just take a basic measure move. Gives us to some basic levels. Kind of take us up here to about 105,000 and something. That keeps showing up. My oh my, that would just be beautiful. I don't know if we can hold it because we got a lot of work to do. Now, the bigger moving averages here look good. Remember, we bounced off the 800 and the 600 Lucy line. Remember, you guys remember Lucy. You guys have met Lucy, haven't you? Remember Lucy? Lucy, hey, say hi, Lucy.
Hi, my name's Lucy.
Hi, see? All right, Lucy. Thanks for stopping by, Lucy. That old devil girl. We bounced off of her like a little trampoline, working our way to the upside, and I kind of likes it. I like that. I love that. We want some more of it. But, the other moving averages, we got to flip-flop them. I think we can do it. The bigger ones are saying, yeah, let's go. The smaller ones are saying, oh man, we're in some time. They gave up a long time ago and they got to recover. It might take them a little bit to recover. So we can get some upses and we'll get some downs and some retracements, probably back to about where we are right now. Okay. So if we come back tomorrow night and we're back here after getting up, I mean, just, the turkey told you it's normal. It's okay. As long as there's a higher low, that could be a juicy entry for a bigger piece of the pie. The way that the old dog turkey's looking at it, I'm just saying. Ladies and gentlemen, so glad to have you here. While the turkey just look at total 3. Aren't you just a little? Oh, you're good. Oh man, you good. That's so good at faking out my lines on here. I do not really fake. They respect them, but they play with them. They keep playing with my big long white tubular extrusions. It wigged down to this one, so they were both right. They were both correct. I don't like that. They were both correct. All right, but we closed back above this one, so we're back in this pattern. That's the fun pattern. We go look at that. Total 3. We gotta take a look at total 3. Can't start or can't do nothing now. Total 3. That's our altcoins. What are you doing? You look sick. This ain't you. What's wrong with you? What happened? Who died? Looking, oh no, I was looking at that one. You was looked all the damn down here, 954. This is us on the daily, so we bounced back and trying to go. Moving averages are good on total 3. We still got that symmetrical triangle there. What were we seeing here? We were with that. Oh, we were on the daily there, weren't we? I don't have the same lines here that we have on that other chart, if you haven't noticed, but still the lines I have, they got respected. Respect the lines, respect my thought tie. What would happen if we connect this dot to this dot? What would that be? Well, if we keep on going, we get this big old ugly looking kind of symmetrical looking triangle rangy thing, which sucks to be an altcoin in a range. Just saying, Ichimoku Cloud looks like it locks that idea. I like this too. This is kind of cool. Well, there's our range, ladies and gentlemen. The old rangefinder oh my gosh, fixed range volume profile tools to free, available free over in the tools over here. Well, we already touched bottom here. It's a nifty little tool. We should be coming up here, so altcoins should get a nice little bump up, I believe. We're in a symmetrical triangle, which I always accuse of doing the rabbit run. Now, you can't see the symmetrical triangle as well here, but let me spell it out for you on a smaller time frame so that you can a little bit. We might tweak her out a little bit. You're a little tweaker. What? The thing about these is they do what I affectionately call the rabbit run, or, you know, like you've been driving down those country roads at night with the headlights on and there's a little rabbit on the side of the road or whatever, or maybe he's in the middle of the road, but you think he runs off to the side. You think he's clear, but no, he runs off one side, and then, by gosh, you think he's all right, and then he starts running across the road again, looking at you, stopping, and then he goes across the road again, and he's like, jeez, and here he comes back again. I mean, he just, it's a crazy ride. I prefer not to have anything to do with them myself. Never met a symmetrical triangle that I like, but what I can tell you about them is that what they typically do is, we'll even try our angles. The asymmetrical triangle. We're going to stick with this chart time frame and be all anal about it. I'm going to make it a little bit longer there. They like it long, so they say. And if we take it down here to the very wicks, we still bounced out of it. What they do is they tend to make a falling channel, if you will, or the pennants become flags. Well, this one's an ugly one. Actually, this one's got a little bit more. No, you're too big for that one too. I'm looking at these big old thick candles there. They're kind of throwing off the angles there. Unless you look at it as a bear trap, which is actually how I do look at it. I'll respect the angles. I look at that. We're back in it. Dang near. Did we close a candle above it? That would be really cool. Close enough as for cigars, I believe. Anyway, I plays with angles too, among other things. My fibs are really good to play with too. They tickle the fun way. Can I say that out loud? The fibs tickle me the fun way. Speaking of Fibonacci, that's just weird. Oh, so Fibby, what can you tell me now? 618 should be coming up in our way. At least another $0.03 trillion coming into our market. Let's start getting and talking about that market. It's the coins themselves. But it does look like we're on the way up. So good. I got some ideas in mind. Look, they're already starting to pump over here. Let's say hello to everybody hanging out on the chat. Have we not done that yet? 29 beautiful people. How's it going? Tell me that my microphone is... Oh, God. Let me check the bottom first. Hey, there's turkeys. Symmetrical triangle. Yeah, okay. Lucy. Hey, Lucy. All right, so... we got Brave Expanse, Glasshopper, Bullets on Parade, Sicario. I see Chris Klein, Loki's Angels, Ryan K, Duality Crypto. Ryan K says, I think we got the reference. We're all riding the pool down, or we'll all be dancing for dollars when our bags are empty. Either way, not a pretty picture. I don't know. I think it'll turn around. It'll turn around. My other thumbnail was a woman on the toilet. Just the flush out. But I went with the turkey instead. Or the chicken. Or rooster. Rooster. It's a rooster. Duality Crypto, what's up? Brave Expanse. Ahsoka-tano. Brock's Adventures, how's it going? Incredible. Good to see ya. Sam says, cup and handle to the upside. Bobby Yaz. Bugpick says, Zeta eventually hit 44 cents. Glad I got out of that. Uh-oh. Is she not doing good? I think I might have a little play on that. I think I margin on it. I made a mistake today. Rather, Sean made a mistake today. He was lucky it was on a paper trading account. He flubbed that. I didn't know there was margin over there. There's margin now? What? It made it all complicated for me, but it's only down $400,000. Some messed up leverage. It's only down 343 at the moment. Is this, when do we get leverage? If leverage is true, when I pull this thing over, it tells me I only got like $400 in this one that's up 153,000. What is this 500 to 1? What is this leverage? 500 to 1 leverage? What the hell? I've never seen this over here on this paper trading thing before. I've never seen that. But anyway, I was going to do XCN. I meant to nibble in just a little bit because I thought I was going dollar amount, but it took my dollar amount and leveraged it to whatever. So I've got a $5 million position of XCN over here, and I'm down $334. This is paper money, though. This is not real. But it was a lot more before I made that mistake, though. Or Sean fat fingered it. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce the little button down here on the chat. Well, this one right here says submit your coin request and we'll take a look at your coins rather than you taking a look at the ones I'm going to talk about. I think mine might bore you. We'll take a cursory look at them. Some things seem to be popping off. And in the meantime, I believe that we can take a look at... Should be able to take a look at the news. Did we not get news tonight? We should have news tonight. Well, let's take a look at the news, Sean. Sean, hit the button, dang it. Yay, Sean hit the button. You don't have the news set up or anything, do you? You suck, Sean. I'll just say that. But I love you. You suck in that. Let's just do the news. All right, man. I'm still waiting for the... there we go. So the NASDAQ 100 futures fell more than 200 points as the market reacted to the launch of DeepSeek, which, by the way, I got in that meme coin a few days ago. I only put $5 in there, but I was up to like 45. Yeah. High five. Yeah. All right. I took my $5 out today. Bitcoin is also coupled to this and has been falling. You're so professional. Thank you. Michael Saylor hints that MicroStrategy is buying more Bitcoin. Expect to see the news of MicroStrategy buying more Bitcoin in the coming days. Watch him buy the dip. That would be awesome. Jupiter announced that 50% of the protocol's fees will be used for Jupe buybacks. Meow has also announced its strategy is to make Jupe the strongest community-based token on the market and set a target price of Jupe for $5 by 2030. I feel like this is old news. Didn't we go over this last night? I think we went over this last night. Should we refresh the page? This is old news. We knew this today going in. Well, that sucks. I feel like we've been played. I guess he didn't post tonight. Oh no. But anyway, this is kind of no, that's the US projects here over on Layer G. Sorry, that's old news. I guess we're going to go back and do some coins. Sean, take us to the chart room.
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I should say thank you very much.
Bitcoin, $102,713. As we watch it just bouncy along. Having trouble getting past here. Why Bitcoin? Why? Are you symmetric? Oh, you lost a level in there, baby. Can you get it back? Can you get it back? Can you get it back? I want to watch and see what she does. This 800, 600, and the 300 are flip-flopped. Now, sometimes we can go a little bullish and get above them, and that's good. It helps bring these others up, and that's a bullish sign. But a lot of times we might find resistance there, at least on the first time around. So don't expect some resistance somewhere around 103, 300 on the short term. All the way through here, we're having trouble getting 102 up to there. It's going to be a hard little area to get by, but the Ichimoku Cloud looks very... Ichimoku Cloud thinks they can do it. Ichimoku Cloud is putting bets on Bitcoin right now to go like just probably that 105,000 we keep talking about. Ichimoku Cloud's down with the plan. Although you got the red dot here on the market cipher saying, oh, we're going to have to pull back, boys. Pull back and reassemble. We're just watching this turkey talk to himself on the TV tube thing. Yeah, man. All the cool kids are doing it, man. XBG. Not familiar with that one. We'll take a look. ZKML. Zikmichael. Quick visit to Jupe. Nero on base. Nero on base. 001212. We got Mimdex 100 and FTX 69,000. XRP. Pithy Pyth. AI XBT. Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 coins. How quick can we get those shot out? Oh, as long as I don't get too lost in the charts, we'll be just fine. We can do it. We can do it. I know we can do it without talking too much about all the beautiful educational things I like to talk about on this stuff. We are an educational channel in a weird kind of turkey way. Support your feather trends. XBG. What the heck are you, man? Decred, you're still in the juicy buy zone, I see. I picked up some more. I can't wait. You better hit $250 like you did last time, baby. Love ya. Just saying. XBG. What are ya? Xborg. Okay. Xborg has got a $42 million market cap. It's currently coming in at 19 cents, almost 20 cents. Circulating supply of 215 million. Just a fraction just a little over 21% of the 1 billion coins out there that will be released over some unlock schedule, could take years and years. That's a pretty good thing to start with. That's not bad. Doesn't look too bad. I don't know how they're distributed, but she's doable. She's still young. She's 42 billion. 42 million can go to 100 million, can go to 500 million, could go to 1 billion very easily in this market. We hope, if there's not too dang many altcoins out there already. Price history on this one, all-time high was 41 cents about a month ago, so she's down. All-time low was 5 months ago, was 5 cents. Went from 5 cents to where it is now. Not bad. Halfway in the middle, that's a pretty good price. I can tell you that just from the 50% retracement right there. That's a decent price to be looking at it. Let's see in the big picture of things. Let's go check it out on the charts. Why'd you say it that way? XBG. Looks like we got to do it. Let's do. I guess we're gonna have to do it on Dexter Tools. Maybe we do it over here. They got it on Solana too. Well, or is it all Solana? Did I read that wrong? That's Ethereum. Okay. Contracts down here. Arbitrum in Solana. Well, I don't think it was specified. If it was, I missed it. Is this in dollars? Or is it in Solanis? Using dollars. Okay, good. We should be good here. Here we're on the daily chart. You lost that. That sucks. Bearish retest. Sucks to be you. Ooh, if you take a measure move from that guy, it says you're coming down. I'm just telling you what this says. Okay, we'll do some other stuff too. So, oh, you're going to a penny and a half. That would suck. All right, so that probably made people. But no, there's more. There's more. Wait, there's more. Oh, that sucks. You were trying to go parabolic too. Look at that. You were working on it. You were getting your angles up. You were starting on it. Me? You were doing it right here, and then it was over. Okay, that's cool. I just like to see what happens so we can figure out what it's going to do next. Wait, oh man, my fibs aren't set up over here, are they? That sucks. Okay, we're all to 618, and I like it. We like it. Let me pull the fib down here and see what we got. How? Gotta defibrillate it. I smell a bear trap coming in your future, ladies and gentlemen. XBG, I smell a bear trap coming for you. Beautiful, beautiful, we like it. We'll take you. We're going to go through 9 coins and you're going to do all this. Shut up. Shh, shh, shh. Makes me want to go roller skating for some reason. I don't know why. Let's put you on the back burner, mister, and let's see what else we got going on here. Although I do like that. Because we got a channel idea going on. Not really much of anything there. No, that's just horizontals right there. You're in a horizontal support, so that's good. That's also support resistance. We doing a little double bottom action here on that line of support if it holds. Any kind of local kind of, I don't know, can we change these candles? Yeah, there we go. They have a Hakinashi. You lost that one too. That kind of sucks. Why are you losing all these lines? Why are you losing? Why are you doing it? This was a critical point right here. That 24. You're gonna have to regain that to be on the safe side. The charts have spoken. They've spoken, I say. Can you connect the? Oh, you really want to do a channel more than anything. You want to do a channel more than anything. But triangles make those wedges, so we can watch the price squeeze down here. Unlock that, unlock that. So this 23-24 cent area, that's going to be a hurdle, but what I kind of see what might be happening on the 618 Fibonacci's a breakout here. We might come down, might do something just incredible, back down the inverted head and shoulders, or it may just rocket to the moon. Something. If we're lucky, we'll see something like this and then break up, and we'll bump our head probably on this trend line here, and also this resistance area here. We'll then kind of fall back down and probably retest this guy, and then start trying to work our way to the upside. Or we could bounce back up at this trend line and or that dotted one, and maybe we go through it first time, or maybe the next time, and then we can get back into the races for 49 cents coming. That's just what I get. What you guys get? I'm just saying. So XGB overall. Looks like we're at a nice little bottom here. If you got a 9 moving average, I would throw it on here. This is, I've never been over, was this Gecko Terminal? I've never used this. Oh, you got multiple moving average? You don't have a 9 on it. Oh, snap. What's wrong with you guys? Why are you looking so bearish? That sucks. You flipped bullish and then you went, now you're all spaghetti. Moving averages would be nice to know, but where's your 9, man? I'm not supposed to 9. The purple would be the 9. The purple? You gotta get above the purple line, man. Get above the purple line. We're not there yet. Purple line's way up here, though. Maybe we'll get there. Well, I just made this chart all ugly and stuff. I was going to post it. I think we should. I can't. It's what, you're not going to let me. All right. 35 people hanging out with me, and I'm getting fumbling with the buttons here. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for being patient. All right, price. I think, can we see price? Yeah. Let me put it over there. We'll take a picture real quick. We'll post this one. This is XBG. Posted in our trade setups. XBG daily chart. That's not you. That's my old picture, man. That's not you, man. Copy image. Try that one more time. Did this to me on something else too. Edit you and then paste you and then there we go. There she is. You gotta be patient with this one, but I think it'd be interesting. All right, let's see. ZKML. How you doing, ZKML? ZKML. Oh, you're another one. Okay, let's go back over here then. ZKML. We got version 2, version 3. Dang it, Uniswap, you're getting all confusing to use anymore. Let's blow her up and see what we can see here. Hey, man. Can we not do the settings over here? Yeah, there's the settings. I can't see the prices. We need to adjust the prices. Text. Let's take you up to... That should be pretty decent. See? That's huge. We'll try that right now. That'll make it confusing. All right, so ZKML, what are you doing? There's no tools over here, dude. There's no tools. I guess we'll use this right now. Should have done it on deck screener. Nice support there on the 236 moving average, or the Fibonacci. Cool. We like that. Like the call. Nice retracement. We did all that. Shaping up nicely that she's got her bottom. I like that. So now we're looking for a little upside here. Oh, you like that, do you? I can see some resistance headed that way. Where's my little price labels? Price labels, where you hiding this time? Sweet target coming in. Where is this? Just right at 50 cents. And the double could double top of here while it reaccumulates. It could be making like an inverted head and shoulders and do something bigger. So that 44 cent area would be a good place to take a little profit. It's a very steep channel that we're breaking out of, or some people would see it as a falling wedge, and perfectly. But the steeper they are, they don't perform as well, and I wouldn't expect to get more than halfway up from that. At least on the first go around. Not saying it can't meet its target, but it'll just, the steeper they are, the less fun. Let's get rid of the fib line. And this is the daily chart. Let's come down to the 4 hour and see what you're looking like. She's looking good here. She's already got a little curve in her step, a little move, a little momentum going behind you, I see. Well, why could you be in all curvaceousness like that? Oh, you wanting to do something? You wanting to go up there? I would pay. We're at 26 cents, and I know it sounds crazy right now. It's all the 45, but it always sounds crazy until that one day. Anything short term? You've already hit that. You can look for this one here at 38. But I'm going to draw her as a dashed line so that the price can go right through it. Don't want no obstacles to keep us from getting the 45 cents. Let's zoom out. We'll take a picture of this one, post it over. This is ZKML. ZKML. Is that it? Yeah. Okay. That's that old picture. Why are you doing that? Copy image. I must be doing something wrong there. Now we got it. Now we got the right one. Carol. All right, let's take a look at Jupiter. How long have we been going? 50 minutes. Not too bad. We're getting there. Getting there. Ladies and gentlemen, making our way. Okay, cool. I got it where I can see the chat a little quicker, I think. 35 people watching Road Dog. It's like an overcrowded public school. Watching our teacher. Yeah, I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, that's Elvis's job. Elvis?
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
I'm seeing signs of parabolic activity coming on these altcoins. I'm seeing a new future. I'm seeing a new day. A new day in crypto, like tomorrow. It may be an up day. It may be a good day. It looks like it's going to be a strong day. It looks like altcoins are finally going to get... Is Bitcoin dominance going down? This daily chart, you got a red candle. What's it? I'm sorry. We got to find out what's going on. I'm seeing the signs. Are you going? You're not coming down. What's up with you? Oh, here you are in the 4 hour. Okay, 4 hours coming down. That's where we're getting the slight signs. But this is still no. We were looking on a bigger time frame, weren't we? It still look like you still look good, Bitcoin dominance. You look like you got some more up in you. We all can't be going all up at the same time now. We can, but it's not good. All right, let's go back to Jupiter. Keep an eye on Bitcoin dominance there. Is this where we were? Holy, this is not the same chart, but it's got lots of lines, so let's look at them. Holy, oh wow. Okay, well, obviously this is the one we've been tracking. This is the messy chart. Oh, I guess, did we? Why did you do that? I don't remember what you're doing, but wouldn't it be here? We won't do it. We'll park you over here. We'll just forget you altogether. I can't remember what we were doing there. All right, so a target of 117 right here has got hit. So yeah, it was a 618 Fibonacci where we're at. I kind of liked it on the other chart that we were on. With fresh eyes and everything. Still looking for 159, 166. We got those bigger targets there. I want to pull my fibs just to make sure that things are still on and in line, tuned up, and whatever. I'm ready to bring you down. I don't think you're as important anymore. Don't need you anymore. Don't think I need you anymore. So next target would be 128 again. We should be heading up there. I think we can get up above it. Let me. Got to keep that dotted line. That's a resistance. So 128 will go back again, but this time we're going to get past it. We should be able to get past it this time. price label. Where you at? 153. I like that one. A lot 153. We'll see if we can get past this one if we can and break up past that. We can hit that 153, 154 area. And I'm gonna. Yeah. That is from this one. I'm going to fine tune these two. So I guess we're updating our charts. Or updating our price areas. And this one's more for this. It's tuned into this line, this leg here. This leg right beside my turkey leg right there. And it's kind of tuned to that. But we still have, we still got targets here from the breakout of this, and then we still got we still got fibs from this bull that are still in play, but these will be more accurate in my personal opinion, based on my personal experience in the charts. The measure move, where you coming in at? Let's fine tune you in. Measure move comes in about 160 from the triangle, so it looks like we're starting to head toward the actual measure move from the breakout of this one over here, in my personal opinion. I know it sounds crazy until that one day you're like, oh crap, we're there. So this is Jupiter. We're going to take a picture. This is the daily. Post it over here. Dailies are good for swing trading. Updated targets. And let's take a quick look at it on the 4 hour. How y'all looking? What's a crack-a-lackin'? You're respecting that trend line very well. You getting away from that trend line. Here's your parabolic move right here. You're starting to do it. So in the 4 hour candles is where we started seeing, wow, Bitcoin dominance just now started having a few candles down, but still. That was before the parabolic activity started showing on this chart, so it's kind of making me wonder what's going on. Bitcoin dominance about to get rejected. Let's see if we can go to deck screener. Do I have deck screener? Here's FIFO. How did that one do? Well, that one kind of died. FAFO. And I'm trying to get out of this so I can. Here we go. There's the button. FIFO is what are you now? It's a $6 million market cap. I think I heard something right before I came on, but maybe a community takeover of this. Well, so it's FIFO, the official FIFO coin, right? It's a pump.fun token. It looks like a lot of people got played. A lot of people got played. What did you come down from where we were? Were you breaking through? I can't remember where it was. We had lines drawn. Probably here. Oh, snap. That's about 90%. $100 is worth $10 now. Is it going to make a comeback? Man. For the people in that one. Well, if you put $5 in now, what's it going to hurt? Might make your money back. Who knows? Let's take a look at Nero. On Ethereum. What goes up, it comes down. Nice little falling wedgie forming right there. $886 retracement, deep retracement. Oh, I was going to say we probably hit bottom, but I don't think we have. Oh, well, no wonder I'm pulling my fibs wrong. Forgive me. There still might be some wiggle room there, though. There still might be some wiggle room. I'm gonna put a. We need to wait and see if we confirm bottom. We can do a measure move though. If we get a breakout from this channel there. Alright, this is Nero to Weeth, wrapped ETH. .0015. Measure moves 0.00219. When we get a bottom confirmed, we can break out our fibs and I think be a little bit more accurate. But it's just not there. But we take a measure move, we break out the channel, looks like it's what it's trying to do here. And we'd be coming back up there. Also, we're going to have this trend line here. If we ever do meet it again, and probably way up here, but that'll be resistance. Some of those ideas, a few little horizontal spots to be looking at on the way up there. This would be a decent one. So if we were to break out from where we are now, well, that's quite a bit actually. That's 65% gains there. 181% gains, 309% gains, and 4x by going right up there. That's sometimes these charts are a little, I don't know, you don't realize what the gains are, and some of them it's like only just a few percentages, right? This one's actually got some potential, and this is against Ethereum too, right? It's actually kind of impressive. You can stack up and quadruple your Ethereum that way. That's a pretty smart move. Nero, Weeth on Uniswap. There should be a contract address over here, right? With measured move. All right, let me check back with you guys, see what you guys are chatting about. What's going on with you guys? 35 people watching Road Dogg. It's like an overcrowded. Oh, we already said that. 37 now. Wow, that's awesome. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me. We're just chilling. Thanks for being here. Clappy hands while you're not working. There you are. Gotta have my clappy hands. Clappy hands, you're supposed to be above all of that stuff, though. There we go. I think we got that fixed. Satoshi left SHIB. What? Chain leaks say a node AI. You pick. Let's take a look at Chainlink. She's been doing pretty cool. Road Dogg would have 3,500 if he had boobs for his face. Oh. Don't think I didn't think about it, but it's not available. Besides, I wouldn't know. Things that make it go hum. Random Trader, what's up, my man? Hoolin, what's up? Unfortunately, IFA with FA, FO, and FO. You effed around with FAFO and you found out. Let's take a look at Link real quick. She's been holding strong. Here you are on Coinbase. Sorry, it's the music. Well, I got all these lines over here and I can't see what's going. I just want to clear this off. Can we clear it off? Definite buy zone. I don't think we're headed there anymore. This is some old stuff. I want to see what's going on now. See what you've done. See what you do. Impulse move. Whatever. 618. Yummy. Love ya. You're awesome. Let's go do it. Oh, you in trouble. You got rejected off a 618 area, a little over. Okay. Oh, bounced off of that one. That's cool. What were you in the regular fib world? Or in the proper fib world? 618? Nope. Fib 0.5, really? What was that? Something beeped at me. You should be there. Why are you not there? There you are. I've got a moon target for you. Ooh, baby, $45. That's a moon target. All right, so $39, $36. Little bonus target there, 34. And I know we're sitting at 24. You're the one that hit, weren't you? Yeah, you're the point behind. All right, we got some little bonus targets. Just depending on your strategy. That's the thing about doing this. Don't know what anybody's strategy is, where you're doing it long-term, short-term, whatever. This is a 4-hour chart. Looking for a number to go up, and let me back this up just a second. Okay. So in my personal opinion, I think that these are very viable targets right here, and especially I'm liking this one right here at $32, $39, $32, that area. Just based on this little move here, I think you're going to see a bigger impact there, and then based on these bigger moves, we got some bigger targets. So once we clear those areas, I think we're going about looking kind of groovy. Now we had this, which we could have come down and retest, but we didn't. We caught these moving averages and all that other, and horizontal support, and so many different ways to analyze it. What we did does a lot of things at once. But more than a nice little channel there. I'm going to take this bottom here and connect those dots right there. So that would be the main trend line I'd be following there. We could always come down and touch it. That'd be $20, but she doesn't look like she wants to do it right now. She's checking out this finding support within this little zone we got here, this horizontal zone. And I'm just one to always be tracking trend lines. Always be tracking trend lines. And this is a nice sign of the parabolic move. We start here, and then we started curving up. She curved up once already, came back down, but it's part of a bigger parabolic move, in my personal opinion. We're just now starting to see that happen as this trend line holds. Boom, we're going up there. Yeah, I might be able to play this, and my personality, this might work for you. It based on, well, yeah, it would. There's a couple of principles that this flag pattern works with, and that takes us up there to these areas. About that $39 area looks kind of juicy. All right, so chain link on the 4-hour. Looking spiffy, looking nice. I guess we should look at our indicators. Oh, look, you got the green dot here. It's now confirmed. It's been confirmed on chain link on the 4-hour. Chain link looking good. I think I should zoom out, shouldn't I? With the targets. Yeah, you can see better when I zoom out. Ooh, daily ding dong, what are you saying? I've seen this on several coins, where on the daily, they look like they were scary, like they're getting ready to cross over, but now we're starting to see some bullish news, or some bullish indications on some other things on bigger time frame or daily and whatever. I mean, you're seeing some other things that we can get duck lips, is what I'm trying to get at, where this can roll over positively. We might be seeing that. We got to keep our eye on it. Oh no, don't lose the non-moving average. Bounce back up there, baby. Chain link, she's got to work on some stuff. She ain't ready to blast off just yet. She's still got some stuff to work on. You can still see $22 out of it. Don't get it twisted. But overall, we like it. Let's take a look at link, or we got link daily chart. Updated targets. Turrets in them. Target. There we go. We got it. That's you, right? All right, let's see if we can find Min to X. I thought I had that right. Oh, it's Mindy times 100, I think is what it is. That's what it is. I think it's Mindy times 100. I don't have it though. Unless it's Mindy X. No, I get Mindy Finance. I can look at. I got the regular one. I didn't find the 100 on that. But Mindy Finance. Ooh, you just made a lower low. How low can you go? Lower. All right, so sadly, I'm looking for this one. I'm looking for 0.018 out of this little guy. And she's going to have some trouble getting past some things. So don't yet have a confirmed bottom, but that's where I'm anticipating with spooky science where the bottom possibly be. Let me see if I can get some verification there. Oh, dang. Are you catching anything here? You're at an area where you can catch right now, but I think she come up and eventually come back down here. She is catching immediately. So right now, there we are at a you're at a bottom where it could make some good gains from here. Where she could come up. That's 20, 26, maybe 40% gains. I don't know. It depends on where it wants to roll over from. But she can come up and she's still in danger of rolling over down here. But we'll give her a good old honest college try there. See if she can catch some support. This is the 4-hour time frame, so this one might hold. Ichimoku Cloud's not liking it. I think she's going to come up and roll over, and then we'll start. It says the target, the 1618. I still got that other target down here. So for Mindy, the bigger bottom will probably hit is 0.018. This could be. This is a bottom for this guy. For this area. Yeah, I would still be looking for that one right there. I'd be looking for that one eventually. All right, FTX 69,000. Not there. FTX 69,000. Fat tits index. That's funny. Okay. I think we looked at this before, right? Is this in dollars? Not sure if I got the... What's going on here? You getting a bounce? Are you getting a bounce? Bouncy boobies on the bottoms here. Oh, what's this in between the... Oh, I don't know what you stumbled onto right here, but there's something shafty looking right in between this left booby and this possible right booby. We're on the 50-minute time frame. Do we? I see some curving going on. It's just not very apparent just yet. This looks like it could be part of a big Adam and Eve double bottom is what it looks like. So pattern-wise, don't really have much of anything going on other than just a channel. Just a channel. Break out of a channel, take the width of it. Just depends on where you break out of, and it could take us up here, but I think we could go even further. There's not much to keep us from getting up to those higher targets once we get out of the little accumulation zone. Oh, snap, that's too big. There we go. Price targets right there. Here we go for, what is this, FTX 60 patents? 69,000. Copy image. Alrighty. I believe we got super chats. I think I see that on my tablet here. Let me see if I can pull that up. We do. Jet Up Flip Flop says, who's this Mindy chick? I don't know. She's kind of cute. Mimdex 100. I'm going to have to take my time when I write this stuff out. Mimdex. The Mimdex 100. There we go. It's on MEXC. Oh, what we got? It's on the 4 hour. Well, that's funky looking. I think it's a fairy godmother. The old fairy godmother pattern. I'll take that. Dang, you're gonna be tricky, huh? Thought you was gonna get me, didn't you? So I've been doing the same things because it works. I'm just saying, because it works. Oh, you got this one though. You do have a little, you got a little bonus one in here. Index 100 looking kind of interesting here on the, was it 4 hour? Don't yet have the 9 crossing the 21. That looks like that's coming. 9 over the 21. Can't say anything bad about it. Check it out on the 1 hour here. Turn on their indicators. How they looking? A little tired on the 1 hour. Lost a trend line. Coming back for a correction there. It's a nice surrounding shape there. That'd be cool. Danger of losing that, so we're probably going to come back and touch this area, maybe at 0.019 20-cent area. That could be happening there. That'd be about the 0.5 Fibonacci coming in. Yeah, that's, we're getting a lot of 0.5 Fibonacci's right now. That seems not coming back as deep as the 786 a lot of times. So we're just hitting the 0.5s or 382s a lot. That's bullish. That's bullish. Relax it. Relax it. See if we can get a bounce off of there.
Got the neighbors knocking, neighbors knocking, neighbors knocking, neighbors knocking, neighbors knocking, neighbors knocking.
Look, it's quantum. Quantum physics going on right there at the spooky science. Entanglement. Quantum entanglement right here. That makes me funny. Some of these YouTubers make it sound like they know quantum physics or something. They don't talk like they do, but well, I mean, certain things. Also, look, quantum math. I'm a math guy. This cracks me up. YouTube is funny. This is the quantum math. I've deep dived this, and I've done all the calculations.
This is so funny.
It's funny how they present themselves sometimes. Oh, that's crazy. Hey man, why do you keep coming up here like this? There we go. It got off. All right, so I just posted this Mimdex 100. Sorry, I got the name wrong. It wasn't your fault. It was mine. It's not you. It's me, babe. It's not you. It's me. This song is starting to get on my nerves. It's very pounding. Oh, this is the 1 hour chart. With targets. New and improved. Well, there we go. Index, all right. And let's see. There was another. Oh, the super chat. Oh, thank you, Road Dog. Anyone else got a coin request? I'm only holding one. That's not worth doing TA on right now. Well, I can still do it. I appreciate it. I appreciate your support. Thank you very much. Let's see. And Jedi Flip Flops has that. Doge, that's right underneath it. We'll go with Doge. Doge is stagnant. At 33 cents. I wouldn't call it stagnant. I mean, she's going up. Probably feels that way because, I mean, there was 40 cents, you know. Let's zoom out. What we got going on? You're below the 9 moving average on the daily, and it's a rollover. That sucks. What's this trend line? Let's get rid of that. And I had these targets. I was looking for you. This is a 3-day. Okay, let's come to a daily. What we got? Am I still working with you, or are we canceling you out? Why would we cancel you out though? Let me double check my targets there. Things are getting really messy over here. Okay. I'll still agree with most of this. Screw it, I want to do it again though. I don't know what I did. It wasn't that. Oh, there we go. Well, you came back to this. That's cool that you did that. So bigger time frame daily. I mean, the moving averages look. The bigger moving averages look good, and these other ones look kind of wildly. Where's the cloud? Oh my god! Did we? Somebody erase the cloud. There's the Somebody erase the cloud. That wasn't cool. Yeah, cloud don't like it though. Is Doge? Are you getting ready to lose it? No, well, maybe. Yeah, Doge, you confirming candles over here? If you lose that 100 moving average, then I'm gonna get kind of. It's gonna get kind of scary. And all we got is one little wick, which we could go lower, so that doesn't help us out a bit there. But but you're above it, you're good, you got support. That's awesome. Doji? Is everything alright, honey? We're gonna have to keep an eye on Doge. She could be. I'm concerned about that trend line. I can't imagine it. I mean, it could come back down to the 200. That's the next place. If it loses the 100 moving average, we'll be looking at the 200, which would be somewhere around 22, 23 cents. It'll be moving up in the process too. But that would suck. And then that's like you're stepping up though. It really looks like you're trying to step up. Can you recover? It'll take a lot for that on the daily with those crosses there. Yes, I would agree. Doge is looking very. She needs to work a miracle right now. We'll need to keep an eye on Doge because she's breaking some rules right now. But I don't see. Can you pull it off? It can be pulled off, man, but it's going to take a lot of volume coming in, a lot of to flip this stuff around here. It can happen, but gosh darn it, what are we doing on the 4 hour? 4 hour. Oh, there we go. That's all I need. Lucy, there's something weird going on. She's probably got her fingers all in it, or its fingers are all in her. One or the other. However you want to look at it, it's the devil. You figure out what she would do. Okay, we got that idea. You got a right angled broadening pattern right here. A right angled broadening pattern. Expanding. And you know what's crazy about these? They actually have a 55% chance to break to the upside. I know it's crazy. I know, but hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. Let's consult. Let us consult the wall of answers. Wall of answers. It's that guy on the top up there. Yes. Where's my mouse? This. I can't get him, but there he is. That guy. I have to look this way to make it look real. That guy right there, and I'm not even looking at it. That guy. So it's got a 55% chance. It's just got to get over, of course, some hurdles that she's been through before. What was this? Do you got any? We're on the 4-hour time frame. Let me make sure. Was a little bit of wiggle room right there. Where we did not count the wiki. Oh, you gotta get in there now. Bigger time frames would be all right. Oh, look. Oh, snap. This should make this do whatever you want it to do, road dog. Actually, that's me going by the rules there of actually making sure I was touching. Touch. I'm touching candle bodies. You might have snapped through a few of those. Scalped a few of those. Let's take it right to the tip of the wick there. Did that fix it? Or did I? No. Well, screw it, we're riding with it because it looks like it nailed it. That's cool. It kind of goes right with that moving average too. So I did not see that before. I did not zoom. I did not dial in that much. Oh, there's our channel. This is what I'm going to call it. So that means we can come up and touch stop at 45 cents. Yes, I'm Lord, it does. Means we can also follow this little guy too. Remember that opening broadening pattern? Yeah, that one's in play too. This one's kind of on the back burner there. That's what I'm going to run with. And doji targets. You knows it.
I gave my heart away. I gave my heart away.
Turkey jams. 29 people. We lost 7 people. They got bored with the turkey. It happens. There's other things to do. And we've been going for an hour and 38 minutes. That probably needs to change. All right, Dogecoin. We'll do this new chart on Dogecoin. We still got a lot of the same targets, though. We still do. There's a lot of the same targets. We're at 33 cents now, headed toward 38, possibly 40 cents if it's bullish enough to get it on the first run. That's a bonus target. If not, she can get it on the second try. She might blast through it on the second try, so keep that in mind. Working its way on to 47, 48, 49 cent areas there. Looks interesting. Looks like she can do it. Looks like she could try to do it there. However, there's going to be some resistance up here around this 34, 35 cent area. We got to break through that. Don't forget that. It's still there. We had it earlier. So, yeah, about 35, 36. A little resistance. Probably that would be a good target too, but it wants to sell at 35 cents if we're headed to 49, right? That's the way I'm looking at it. Because you're near a juicy bottom if it confirms bottom. So if we pull fibs from high to low, tell me where the price is going to go. We get above this 33 cent area now, we'll be clearing it. Get past where these candle bodies came down and found support. We get past that. That should be good. That should be a good sign. Let's take a look at AIXBT. BitGet's got it. What's going on with you? Bottoming out. Yes, I'm Laura. She's at a good place if you're interested in her. She's place where I would be buying it. Some people would be waiting for breakouts. Now, pattern traders, we're going to be going over this in class. I don't know if I do it here. I'll do it here anyway. Pattern traders, the official method for pattern trading is you wait for the breakout of the trend line, and preferably the solid edges wait for the next candle after. So you make sure that it's cleared the trend line and then you jump in. Breakout trading, but the thing about it is in markets, a lot of times market makers, they love breakout traders because they like to take you back into the pattern, stop you out. When they get antsy and they get serious about their market making game, you will see all that stuff happen. So a lot of people get kind of, you know, they don't like the breakout game as much. That was the same thing, and then I started, well, I'm going to start buying the bottom of the trend lines, and I'm like, okay, yeah. Of course, you know, sometimes they can still come down. Yeah, look for some of those signs, but the bottom of main trend lines like this, getting close to those, buying in, those are good. Pull in your fibs, and you can see AIXBT from this high to that low. Anywhere below this 236 is a nice accumulation zone if you've got support trend line there. Beautiful. Because in about, I don't know, I would say in a few days, probably look back and say, man, I probably should have got it when it was 54 cents. Because by then she could be up here at 73. Well, let's increase that number to 58 for the real big picture. This is the ABC correction. Let's do that. Yeah, this one's getting a lot better play. All right, AIXBT. I like this. So from here to there, 21%, 43%, 56%, possibly 85% if we make it up to the next higher high. Any reason why we shouldn't do that? I mean, we are doing this. No guarantees that you'll touch the top of it again. Sometimes they reach a stagnant point close to where they topped out before, maybe a little higher, maybe sometimes a little lower. Well, this might have been it, but we came back to the bottom and bounced. Let's see. Could we be looking somewhere around $1.40 AIXBT when it's sitting here at 53 cents right now? That'd be a nice 3x come up. It can happen with this pattern. It's a bearish pattern. It's supposed to break to the downside. It just takes a long time to do it. $AIXBT 4 hour. Brand new. Brand new chart. With exciting new targets. Bring your popcorn. Bring your popcorn. All right, and I think XRP $3.10. Nice return. Oh, look at that! Isn't that's crazy? What's one down here? Oh, the fibs nailed it. You know what we must do for that algorithm now? I'm just saying. All by the hand of the turkey right here. Nailed it. By the turkey hand. Just saying. The Fibonacci's there. You're friends, man. That's my friend. I like my Fibonacci. You got to play with them a lot. The more you play with them, the more they start talking to you. And I know it's kind of weird to be sitting around talking to your fib, playing with your fib, making your fib long, making your fib short, just putting your fib all over the place, really. But whoo, them fibs. She didn't just nail it, but if we got the bottoms, if she loses this, we were hoping to get a bounce off that 382, but we'd already tagged it over here. Nailed it last time, but she broke through. That was the next little stair step down. Didn't even touch the 200 moving average. We got to make this big and pretty, and then we got to go. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, we got to take this thing off. You're stealing my glory. Triangles. How long have you been up there?
Nailed it.
Okay. Then we got to post this over to the vanity section. The vanity wall. Boom. That's not it. What happened? Why are you doing this stuff, man? All right. Oh, back over in the trade setups. Now, earlier in the group over there, the community, it's a non-monetized community, the whole thing, but I was breaking down Bitcoin a little bit of a different way. Yeah, right through here. Ha ha. Forgot about that. Yeah, just having fun this morning with the, this is the small 6 minute, right? Right here. Running with the devil because Lucy was right there. So we bounce off of Lucy and then we start going to the angels, which is still right around 105,000. That number keeps coming up if you haven't noticed that. But then I broke it, you know, we're looking at it there. This is just me fibbing it out and doing, you know, just, or what I do. This is it, me putting it into the channel, which is basically what we started out looking at tonight. With the targets down here, the GC 100, 474. That didn't get hit. The 101, I believe that one did. Here we are, and then I put it over here, and this is on the daily. Is this the daily too? Yeah, these are daily targets. Okay, these are daily targets. This is the daily. This was putting the range tool on there, and man, it's awesome. But it's suggesting these on the daily. I'm just throwing this out there. Yeah, it suggested 98, which we wicked down to and came back up. Maybe we're getting ready to leave the range. That's one sign, one way you can look at it. The other sign is not pretty, where it's like, well, when we come here and we lose it, we come to 90. It could happen, but we could be going back up too, baby. I'm just saying. And this is with the, what is it? With the Fibonacci's. The Fibonacci strategy, and this is what happened. The Fibonacci, we're catching on this 382. As long as we can hold that 382, we got a good chance for a nice big bounce. If we lose it, then we're looking at 96, possibly 93. The moving averages, and this is my explanation there, have got us, and this is what's spelling out a lot of rangy range. The moving averages are telling us, you know, we'll probably range through here a lot. And they seem to be speaking kind of, unless we break above that 9 moving average, and then we are likely to range through this area between where we are now, 104, 105,000. So we might be seeing that too. Thought I'd go over that. I had that posted over there earlier. Can we get out of this? Yeah. There we go. But Bitcoin, oh Bitcoin, where are you now? Tell me what's happening, you big old cow. That's all I can come up with. We went over and we got the 800. We were talking about that earlier, and we got rejected on this one. Said it might not make it up there on that first time, and it looks like she's not. Fear not, my featherless friends. We could do it this way. That's how I would be tracking it. Would be trying to track the trend lines. Track it this way. Lost the. You know it's going to probably do something a little bit. We just keep tracking. But this time, that one's losing it for good there. Another idea that might work very beautifully is if we take this and copy it, that same angle, because the angles matter. That might give us a little different story. That might give us an area where we might find some support. Let's go with that one. See if we can find some support there. If we can, let's take a measure move for that. Top of the channel down to the bottom of the channel. Put it there, and it would suggest that we might come back down to talk to this 100 moving average, and that would suck. That'd be about 109, somewhere through that area if we were to lose it. We'll paint that idea out there just to look at it. See if it happens. Another idea that we can do, now that we've lost that trend line, there's a couple ideas we can do. We could go with this one, but mainly I want to see how this one, how are you respecting it? Would this be our evolving trend line as this matures out? So I'm going to progress to this idea. Well, let's see if this can hold. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate you being here. We've been going for an hour and 51 minutes. It's just time. Oh man, you look like you're a roll. Did you roll over? You didn't roll over. Not yet. Here on the 6 minute, the 9 moving average has crossed the Lucy line. Crossed the devil. It did. Cross the devil. We can still roll over from here, or if we bounce off the 21, we might regain it. And our other idea was that we can go higher. We can start getting up to 103. I still got that 105,300 target that I'm hoping that we'll go through. But this is an area of resistance. It's some pretty solid resistance that we're facing right now. Come down, bounce. I don't know for sure, but I do know that eventually the number's going to go up. We are setting up with the smaller time frames for a retracement. Don't know if it's coming now or if we're going to bump up and then come back down, but I'm looking for us to maybe hit 105 and then come back down from where we are now and then bounce up. We'll see if it happens. I don't know. I'm just like everybody else. Just try to read what the charts say. Guys, thanks for hanging out. We'll be back in 103,000. Yeah, that's looking good. She just bumped up. Why aren't you showing on here? Do we have to go to the 1 minute? You still look sad on this one. Does the 1 minute know something we don't know? Rarely ever, but anyway, we're making lower highs and lower lows right now. Come on, 105,000. Daddy needs some new shoes. Thanks for hanging out with. Ooh, that's nice. Look at you, Lucy. You trying to do something? Lucy, you trying to go bullish? Dang. I didn't mean to walk in on you like that, but shoot, girl. Where you at? 104,000. Good night, everybody. Thanks for hanging out. See you tomorrow. Trade carefully.
Come on, come here, boy. Come on. You freaky dog. I don't need to analyze. Every word that comes out is a lie.
Well, don't tell everybody that I want to date her.
You won't make it to the finish line. If you gotta know the truth was gonna let you go. You was fine, never mind, unpredictable. Feet eye off the ground, you ain't no one. You will start, blow it up like supernova. In the nighttime, hit my hotline.
Yeah.
Sharing secrets, he was
That's the
ready,
tricky
was
part
my
is
basic bullets.
it's taking profits on the way so you have the money for the dip. That's one of the hardest things to do. It's a hard thing to do.
Running for the meds, show you like my bag.
Oh, there's always dips though. Question is, are you going to have, or did you take profits to have money for the dip? Once you get there, you know you're on to something good. Hey man, Jacob, sorry I missed that one. We'll try to get it tomorrow night if you come back. Oh, I'm way behind on this, aren't I? Zombie only that, yeah. I think this is right. We're going over some old chats here. Bobby guys. Good night, Bug Pick.
Please don't break
Yeah, hopefully we'll wake up a higher price. I'd like it.
Give me a miracle. I need a syllable. Talking about big cash, that's the minimum. I'm done with this trash.
Thanks for hanging out, guys.
Show me your mental state before we get physical. Pour some water in your cup.
Do we have an Easter egg?
Now look straight into my eyes and you sip, sip, sip. It's about time that you shine. Take off that leash so that we can have some fun. I see it when you walk.
Nothing new or funny.
You lock what you see. Then please subscribe, eh? And if you like what I do, then smash that like button too. And if you like to check it out, leave a comment down below. I like red dog crypto. I like red dog crypto.